And thanks. Also happening now, a drug used to bring diabetics back to life when they have dangerously low blood sugar levels is in very short supply right now. The drug dextrose 50 or D50 is not being produced and shipped right now, leaving first responders to ration what supplies they have on hand for only the most critical patients. Action News reporter Santaya Rose is live in the newsroom with more on how emergency responders are dealing with this major shortage. Santaya?
Well, Liz, 97 ambulances handle calls in Fresno County, and inside these vehicles are life-saving tools, including dextrose 50. But now crews are being forced to only use this drug on the most critical patients. Every day, ambulances respond to crisis situations. Many are medical calls that involve diabetics facing serious problems. On board every American ambulance is a drug called dextrose 50. It's commonly used and instantly effective, but these are the final bottles left.
But there's other drugs we can use, and we're basically putting those drugs ahead of that. Oral glucose, for example, is a little bit slower to respond, but it does have an effect, and in an emergency, that's what we're going to use, is oral glucose.
The oral paste is rubbed on the gums and inside of the cheek and works fine when the patient is conscious and able to cooperate with the process. However, when the patient is in a state of comatose, D50 is the best option. Unfortunately, there isn't an alternate drug that works the same.
Some drugs, like we had a shortage of morphine for pain management and such, we have other drugs that could take its place. In this particular circumstance with dextrose, we do not have that luxury.
A combination of government regulations and a shortage of raw materials has prompted the shortage, according to Fresno County EMS Director Dan Lynch. Rural areas in the Central Valley where patients are further away from hospitals makes the shortage even more of a concern.
The EMS system responds to about 4,000 diabetic type calls in a year in Fresno County. In about 1,600 of these incidents, we actually use this drug, dextrose.
First responders say the short supply should also serve as a reminder to diabetics to monitor their disease closely before sugar levels reach dangerous highs or lows. For now, the current supply on hand is all hospitals and ambulances can expect. There's no scheduled shipments slated for any time in the near future. In the newsroom, Santaya Rose, ABC 30 Action News.